Bitcoin breakout targets. What's up, guys? Crypto Savvy here with your Bitcoin update. We're going to look at the short-term and mid-term targets today. If you've been watching my videos, you probably know about where we're at, so stick around.
1, 2, 3, go!
What's up, guys? Before I begin, I want to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion and my view of the market only. Anyone that's trading or investing in the market, I suggest you do your own due diligence and your own research, as this market's very volatile. And with that being said, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Give it a thumbs up if you like the content. It helps me with getting the videos viewed on YouTube. And if you have any comments, leave them. All right, let's get started. We're looking at the daily Bitcoin chart and still looking at this falling wedge pattern in here. And you can see I have my medium term targets on the daily chart here. And we're going to go through and kind of discuss I'm trying to make this real simple so people can understand if you're getting into charting, you know, just some basic ways to look for targets when you find different patterns in the charts. So like this here, I know a lot of people are calling this a bear pennant or a bear flag, and I'm not discounting that at all. I understand it could very well be, but we're going to look at it both ways. So if you watch my videos before, you've seen how I've gotten these targets, and it's simply just measuring the triangle and coming up to where you assume the breakout might be, and it could be somewhere in this area, but that gives me between the 5100 and 5200 target. And if we were to break down, we're looking at around the $2,500 target, which a lot of people are saying, you know, that's what they're looking for the bottom. My personal opinion, I don't necessarily believe we will go that low. I believe that we could possibly see a double bottom here, you know, and go up, or we could just break out of this symmetrical triangle here and move up to the top of this wedge, which would, like I said, be around the 51 and 5200 area. I'm going to zoom in a little closer to the 4-hour chart and take a look at my short-term targets. And if you guys have been watching my videos, I've been calling this a reversal diamond, and I've heard a lot of people, you know, they're watching it as a triangle. I personally think this is a reversal diamond. I'm sorry, I said reversal triangle. Reversal diamond. I know a lot of people were looking at it as a symmetrical triangle right here, but I personally think, again, that this is a reversal diamond. And I also think we have higher to go in this move, that we've broken out of there. And the same thing with this. I'll show you guys real quick just to try to keep it simple. You guys are following along with the charts. I'm going to measure this triangle or this diamond move from the top to the bottom of the triangle and moving on up here, and that's where I come up with this 3850 range. 3850 to, I'd say 38 to 3900 range for this target. And that's not to say it stops there. You know, as the data comes in, we'll look at it then and see if we got further to go if we make it up there. Now, as of right now, it's looking like this could possibly form either let me zoom in here and kind of draw it out for you. Let's go into the 1 hour. Kind of look at it that way. Now, what I think may be forming here is either something like this. Could be a bear pennant or a bull pennant, I'm sorry. Because I have this target up here, I'm going to measure this flag here and to show you what I'm looking at. And if that was, you know, to make a bear or a bull pennant or a bull flag, I'm thinking it's going to look something like this. You know, we may bounce around in here for a little while, just kind of up and down, and then break out and go up to the target I have up here. There's, like I said, there's no guarantees in this market, so let me get rid of that now. You know, it could be, like I said, it could be a bear pennant like this, or, you know, we could form, you know, more of a bear flag coming down this way and bouncing around. But I really do think that we're going to get up in this area. And if you look, we've had resistance in this area quite a few times. And once we get up here, then we can, you know, look at it further and see if we're going to, you know, come back up and touch this, the top of this. Let's zoom out a little bit, get into the 4-hour chart. Right there, the symmetrical triangle. And, you know, we may have enough force to get up to the top of this, right around the $400 or $4,000 range. And then if we break through there, then we're looking at the higher target I was talking about, between 51 and 5,200 of the top of this falling wedge. Excuse me. So yeah, that's where we're at for now. And if you guys liked the video, I ask that you please subscribe and share it if you belong in any communities. And yeah, another thing, please give it a thumbs up if you would, and leave comments. Let me know what you think of the video and what you think of the targets. So I know some people are still really bearish, but if you look above my head right here, you should see my Crypto Savvy logo. Click that and that'll get you subscribed. Like I said, it doesn't cost nothing. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I am out of here.